Davis-Paterson coming out here to Kimball County. All be first calf Angus pairs. I believe on this set right here we got one set of twins, so we're going to say you 19 mamas, give you 20 calves right here. Females all go back to Gardner Genetics, and they've been running back with Angus bulls right here. Good set of first calf pairs, all calf and vaccinated. I believe they said all the calves have been worked. The exception just a few of the real late calves. All the older calves, bigger calves, they have already worked with them. Some little younger babies, they have not worked them. All Gardner Genetics bloodlines, first calf Angus pairs, got one set of twins. You talk about a choice set of calves, Andy. Take a look right here. They are good.
High dollar set of kids, boys, right here. Bring them back, and I guarantee you they'll top the market when you get ready to sell them. Choice set of kids. Believe those bulls there got an extra rib too. They're a long bodied set of kids.
They are good. All Gardner Genetics, Danny, on the best good genetics right here. All right, the first babies on the ground. Every one of them. All the calves been worked except a few of the smaller ones, they said. Y'all are getting a set of twins, so you're going to get 20 calves, get 19 mamas. You talk about good right here. Gardner Influence, Danny, out of him 281.
Out of the calves, win nearly 330, win 328, boys, right here.
Trainers, thank y'all, appreciate it.
2000, quarter, the big one, about 2025. Now 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 2050, 50, 50, 50, 2050, 2000 quarter, 2050, 2050, quarter, 2025, 50, 2025, short set of kids, going 2050, 2025, first set of kids, get extra baby, 2025, 2050, 2025, quarter, so I'm not here, 2000 quarter. Family. Is that with the L or S? L? S? Sammy.
Next, we're going to be turning off to the Butch Farm Ranch up here at Cisco Way.